Good afternoon, everybody. This is Thomas Wood again with Microquant. Once more, we're going to be taking a look at the trade of the day from the live trading room. We had a really great day today, up quite a bit. We closed out a short from yesterday in RBOB for about 800 a contract. Closed out some soy longs for about 1,000 a contract. We also had a short this morning in the trading room for the British pound, which are up about $1,000 a contract there. We had a long in the euro this morning. Made us up a little over $1,000, about 1,400, 12 to 1,400 per contract there. And we also had a really great trade with a short in gold where you're up almost $2,000 per contract. The trade of the day, in my opinion, was crude oil. We really hit this nail right on the head, had a perfect entry. What we were looking at, we saw crude on a daily basis. We have it in this upward moving channel over the past few weeks. As crude was coming down right after the news announcements, we saw it was getting very close to intersecting the upward moving trend line. So we decided to look for an entry to get long. What we ended up doing, we drilled down to a 1 or a 2 minute chart, because the way we like to trade in the trading room is find entries where we're risking as small amount as possible while still being able to make a very large return. Now, where we ended up getting in was right at this blue arrow right here, right near the low of 96.57. It's right about where our fills were. The reason we got in long, if you look, we had this very large sell-off, and we came over and we had an even lower price, so we eclipsed the previous low on this 1 minute chart. But if you look at our momentum indicator, we had a nice bullish divergence. We were also significantly undervalued according to value bars. Gave us the okay to go ahead and get long, risking the low of the bar, which ended up being about $100 a contract. And then, as you can see, crude never really looked back on that price level. Just skyrocketed straight up from where we were in right around 96.57 all the way up to a high so far of 98.16. So great trade there. Almost $2,000 a contract to the upside in that crude oil trade. That's going to be the trade of the day for today. Going to be the last trading room for the week. So until next week, have a great weekend.